Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essential prerequisites. Your carrier supports VoLTE and your plan treats VoLTE calls as net minutes, not separate voice billing. Once done, update your phone to the latest carrier firmware. This fixes compatibility. Make sure mobile data is enabled and your SIM is active. Next, open cellular settings and locate VoLTE or enhanced calling. Turn it on now. Doing this early avoids wasted tests. If you have APN or specific VoLTE parameters, jot them down. Now configure the complex middle steps that ensure calls use net minutes. First, enable VoLTE in settings and pick the right SIM if you have to. Then check IMS, SIP, and APN parameters against carrier specs. These control call handoff to the LTE network. Once adjusted, place a short test call and watch for a VoLTE or HD icon during the session. Pay attention to the carrier's billing label after the call. That tells you whether the call consumed net minutes or routed to legacy voice. Finish by validating across real conditions. Make calls in different locations and on varying signal strengths, ensuring the VoLTE icon appears and net minutes are used. Once done, lock your preferred LTE network mode if calls keep falling back. If a call downgrades to 3G or 2G, re-register IMS in diagnostics and confirm the carrier's VoLTE provisioning. One troubleshooting tip: capture call test details and IMS logs, then escalate to carrier support. Those logs are the quickest path to fixing billing or provisioning errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.